All right, so every movie has a steering, and I can tell you that the Mpumalanga 2026 Off-Road Explosion has a steering that we drove all the way from Mpumalanga to come to Joburg to come and meet. He's formerly known as Unokwaja from Team Nokwaja from the Nguni
Off-road. Kunjalo mfowethu, kunjalo. Ekhaya elikhulu, our big home is in Nguni Off-road.
Yeah.
Noma sesinawo umuzi, our own house, which is Team Nongwaja. But yeah, we're here. Thank you guys for coming. We welcome you here.
No, thank you for joining us. I mean, I was just talking about just your turf.
Yes.
It looks amazing. It looks like you're somewhere very far from Johannesburg. But you are coming to Sudwala.
Yes,
Maybe
obviously.
just start us with your name. Why are you called Nokwaja?
I called myself Nokwaja.
Yeah.
The name actually came from my great-grandfather's name. It's not his real name, but it's Igama Lomtsizwa, if you know. It's his nickname. It was given to him by his peers.
Sure.
Yeah, so they used to call him Unokwaja. So I like to call myself Unokwaja as well. And the vehicle, I like to call it Unokwaja. So whenever I see what the vehicle does, whenever the stories that they tell him, they tell me about him,
Sure.
about what he used to do and all of that. When I see the vehicle does similar things to him, I just called it Unokwaja. I said, nah, this is Nokwaja.
Tata Zonke, all terrain,
Kunjalo mfowethu. Kunjalo.
all seasons.
Kunjalo.
All right. I mean, like I said, this is the 2026 edition of the Mpumalanga Off-Road Explosion.
Kunjalo.
It's coming.
Yes.
You're going to be part of it again for the second year.
Yes.
What can you expect? What are we bringing this year?
Ekulonyaka bafowethu uzobe kushuba kakhulu, uzobe
Sure.
kubheda kakhulu. Guys, we are bringing a lot of bakkies.
Really?
Some new members.
Mm.
And I think some crowd as well. The people from Mpumalanga, we are coming. Last time we didn't tell them, guys, we'll be there. We are coming. Be there, guys. Be there. And also we have a new look Kanokwaja as
Sure.
well. I think it will be seen as well live Esodwala as well. There's some new upgrades that we did on Nokwaja.
Really?
I would like to test them also to test the grounds of Esodwala. Last time, they said there's new challenges as well there. So I said no.
Obstacles,
Yeah, I said no. We must put also some new upgrades as well on Nokwaja and see what
Yeah.
Yes.
So what kind of upgrades have you done on Nokwaja?
It's bigger wheels. I've
Yeah.
got 33 inches
Sure.
wheels now. Last year I had 20 inches low profile.
Sure.
This year I have 33 inches with a higher suspension.
Yeah.
And some few stuff surprises. I can't tell everyone.
So you reckon? I mean, thinking about the terrain. I mean, you've
Yeah.
been there. Sudwala Fanscapes. They say that is the best terrain in the whole country. Do you agree?
I agree.
Why?
It's the best place that you can be in Mpumalanga. It's the
In the whole country.
and I haven't been in the whole country. I don't want to make that mistake. But in Mpumalanga, what I've seen in Sodwala, they've got many challenges.
Sure.
You play until you get tired there. They've got a long uphill script that is
Sure.
wet. It's very nice. I've
Yeah.
never seen it anywhere. They've got a camping sites.
Yeah.
You can camp there. You've got there's a lot. There's a restaurant up there. There's a lot of stuff that you can.
Yeah.
You can't say there's something that you can't find there.
Yeah.
It's only there's a river crossing.
There
I almost
is.
said there's a there's a river crossing there. I think there's a lot. There's a lot there. There's a lot. There's a stage, permanent stage for entertainment.
Yeah.
Last time I really enjoyed. So hopefully this year we're also gonna enjoy, and hopefully we're gonna have more people coming now. Now that we are telling people that
Yeah.
guys will be there.
Sure.
The guys will be there. You can come buy your tickets. I don't know. I think the ticket link or the
It'll
information
definitely, yeah.
will be shared under the video
You know.
and all of that. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now, still talking about the terrain, there was a lot of talk since last week you spoke to other
Yeah.
participants from Mpumalanga
Yes.
about wet terrain or dry terrain, and which one is preferable, and what do you prefer?
I prefer all.
Really?
Yeah. In an event like in a place like Sodwala,
Sure.
last year they were able to provide all for us.
Mm.
I expect and hope that even this year they will also provide all for us, wet and dry.
Mm.
So if there's guys who prefer dry, they can play on dry.
Sure.
If they prefer wet, they can play on wet. But I enjoy wet more than dry.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think wet is more fun. It's more nicer. You get to experience. You get to see your car getting crazy.
Sure.
Yeah. Unlike on dry terrain.
Yeah.
So you are limited. there's things that you cannot see when you only play on wet terrain.
Sure.
So even the guys that are saying no, we only prefer
wet terrain.
the dry one.
Mm.
I think they should try to experience the wet one as well
Yeah.
and see what their cars can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very important.
Now, for a guy who thinks, damn, I want to be part of this, but now there's the guys, the likes of Nokwacha, they are pros in off-road.
Yes.
Is it, do I mesh up? Should I go? Should I not go? What would you say to someone like that who's not a pro,
Yes.
who hasn't got much experience as far as off-road is
Yeah.
concerned?
Once you buy a 4x4,
Sure.
if you have a vehicle that has a 4x4,
Yeah.
you are initiated, my brother. Come. Come.
Yeah.
That was an initiation that you took an hour. Just come and see what your vehicle can do. Your vehicle will excite you. You'll have more love for your vehicle.
Yeah.
As soon as you start putting it onto a real off-road, when you get back home, I promise you, you'll sleep with it in the garage. I did that first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, you spoke about modifying Nokwacha.
Yeah.
How important are modifications as far as off-roading experience is concerned? Like, can a standard 4x4 off the garage, off of the floor, give you the same experience as an upgraded and facelifted vehicle?
If you want to go hardcore,
Mm.
of which is not advisable when you are still new,
Sure.
understand? It's very important to upgrade the suspension, the
Mm.
wheels like I did, and all of that. But it's not really important to me
Yeah,
because I think I did the demonstration. Nokwacha from brand new.
yeah.
That Isuzu,
Sure.
I took it from brand new.
Mm.
I even made it worse. I put a 20-inch low profile just to prove it to people that it doesn't have to be a really off-road vehicle. As long as it's a 4x4, it's capable.
Yeah.
For the past 3 years, it's been using a very low profile
Mm.
on a 20-inch, standard as it is. It's been playing no issues.
Mm.
You understand? I just did it now before this event because I liked to do it. I like the look of the big wheels and the look of the higher vehicle and all of that.
Sure.
No, that it's really, really needed. But the standard 4x4, you'll do quite well.
Yeah.
No issues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe just in closing then, I mean, the teams are pumped. We were with Mpumalanga last week. We were
Yes.
Team Krach and other teams that are there.
Yes.
And they are pumped and they say, this time they're going to give you a run for your money.
Like how?
Your message.
Is it?
They've got obstacles that you have no clue about.
In Sodwala.
In Sodwala.
What a wow. Can't wait to see now.
Whatever.
It looks like I'm going to send a drone to Sodwala and go and peep and see what's going on there. But yeah, guys, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are coming. I'm out of words. They've
Yeah.
got something new.
That you have not seen, that you have not experienced in Sodwala. That we're not allowed to tell.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think I'll call someone and find out. But no, it's fine, guys. I think I'm looking forward to see
Sure.
what they have. I'm looking forward to experience as well.
Mm.
It's always good whenever you have an event, you have a new stuff, so that
Sure.
we don't really get used to it. So I think it's good as well because it makes the play fun.
Mm.
And this play is about getting stuck. A lot of people are scared of getting stuck. They're scared
Sure.
of being seen on camera, being stuck and all of. But the 4x4 is about being stuck, guys.
It is.
Being
That's what
stuck
I
and
feel,
recovering
yeah.
yourself and helping each other and getting together. That's the fun that we have. But people out there, they have a mindset that if a vehicle gets stuck, it means that it's not capable. That brand is not good.
Mm.
But actually, this is about getting stuck, recovering yourself, enjoying the moment of getting stuck, enjoying other guys coming to assist you, and making connection,
Yeah.
and actually refreshing your mind.
Absolutely. And
Exactly.
pushing that vehicle to limits it didn't know that it can reach.
Push it to the limits, bruh.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Just in closing, your last message to everyone who's contemplating on coming and they're not sure yet. I mean, from the legendary Nokwacha.
Bafowethu, ngihlale ngisho ngithi wanilala wanivuka kunjalo bafowethu. Sonke asiphelele Sodwala, senze show, siphethe amathikithi esandleni. Ungadileyeki egate-ini. Umdlalo uyahamba ngaphakathi, umdlalo uyaphela ngaphakathi. Ungahamba egate-ini kunjalo. On.
Hey, Tada. Hey, Tada.
Hola.
No, thank you so much. So you have no reason not to come, whether you're experienced, whether you're a pro. We've got everything catered for you. Like you've heard it from him. That is one of the best terrains you can ever find in the country. He didn't say that, but I'm saying that because I've been to a couple of terrains.
Yes.
But be sure that you're there. 25 to 27 April. Get your tickets, and all the information will be there on your screen.